Hey, this is just a quick video to show you how the GPX import function works on the Beeline app for Android, and this is specifically for Beeline Moto users. So if you go ahead and open up your Beeline app and head to Where To, the thing you're going to want to make sure is that you've got the motorcycle activity selected and that you've toggled route mode. Now once you've done that, you can go ahead and find a GPX route. So I found one I want to follow here. Which is the North Coast 500. So if you go and download that, and then it's ready to go. So if we just tap open here, it will actually open it straight in the Beeline app, process it for a minute, and then it will load in the route for you. And this is a full route mode route, so it will have turn junction indicators, all the stuff that you're used to with route mode as normal, but with a route that you've imported. And you can see here it says GPX route, just to let you know that that's confirmed. And then once you've done that, you can hit save and save this. So we can put test for now. And so whenever you want to open that route again, you can just open that from the home screen. Now you can also load GPX routes in another way. So if you open up the Where To screen again and then tap on these three dots up here, you can go import GPX file and find routes in here. So you can see this is our route from before that we downloaded, and just load it in that way. So very simple and easy to use. If you have any more problems or questions, just head to beeline.co/support and you'll find plenty more information on how to use this feature and other tips and tricks.